Hello and welcome to the video series on Learn Vedic Astrology Free. In this video, we're going to talk about the planet Venus, its role, its significations, and other important aspects from the point of view of learning Vedic astrology. Before we begin, let me share with you the links to previous videos in case you have not watched them. Here are the links. So let us begin. Venus is studied not only in Vedic astrology but is also well recognized in the Western world as the planet or the goddess associated with luxury, beauty and many forms of art. As per Hindu mythology, Venus is the guru of demons. Venus has the knowledge of the Sanjeevani Vidya. This knowledge can make the dead people come back to life once again. Venus is immensely intelligent and an expert in every form of learning. So let us study astrological aspects with the help of graphics. Venus is a beautiful planet, and in the celestial cabinet it is considered as a minister or the advisor. Now let's see some basic facts about Venus. It represents, of course, the female gender. Its temperament is easygoing and accommodating. The element represented by Venus is water. Its nature is Rajasic, that means beneficial also. Venus represents the priest or the Brahmin. Its direction is southeast. In the human relationship, it represents the spouse, the girlfriend, boyfriend, husband or wife. And in human life, it is the significator of the pelvis and the reproductive organs. Venus, when well placed and as a benefic in a horoscope, will represent the keywords like harmony, beautification, refinement, love and affection. So all the beautiful things or all the beautifications are associated with Venus. But when not well placed, Venus will represent self-indulgence, laziness, pervert and flirtatious. In medical astrology, Venus represents face, eyesight, genital organs, etc. And the kind of ailments which Venus can give are sexual diseases, stone in the bladder or kidney, urinary diseases, diseases of the face and eyes. And now let's see Venus in the horoscope. Venus is the significator of the 7th house in the horoscope, and as you remember, 7th house represents the life partner or the spouse. Venus rules over two signs, and they are Taurus and Libra. Venus is exalted in the sign Pisces, and Venus is therefore debilitated in Virgo. The directional strength of Venus is in the 4th house, which means the north. Therefore, the directional weakness is in the 10th house, the south. Venus considers Mercury and Saturn as its friends. Venus is neutral towards Mars and Jupiter, and it considers Sun and Moon as its enemies. Vimshuti Dasha system has 20 years for Venus as for its Mahadasha. And the colors which Venus represents are shades of pink, cream, white, etc. The metal represented by Venus is platinum. The professions, if you want to see, by Venus are very interesting. They are artists, singers, vehicle dealers, diamond dealers, hairstylists, acting, drama, film industry, perfumes, automobile industry, beauty parlors, fashion designers, gem dealers, water sports, etc. Dear astrology lovers, I do hope that you like this video and the information was helpful. Do watch this video a couple of times to let the information be totally absorbed. In case you are also interested to learn astrology from us, then you are welcome to contact us. We offer online courses as well as classroom teaching. In case you like this video, then please do share, like and subscribe.